Welcome to Basic Finance, your ultimate guide to smart living, tech hacks, and money-making tips. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for anyone who dreams of financial freedom. Passive income ideas to make money while you sleep. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's explore how you can build a money machine that runs 24/7, even while you're catching Z's. First things first, what exactly is passive income? Passive income is money earned with little to no ongoing effort. Unlike your 9-to-5 job, it doesn't require you to trade hours for dollars every single day. Now let's bust a myth. Passive income isn't completely hands-off. Most methods require upfront time, money, or skills, but once set up, they can generate consistent income with minimal involvement. Let's start with the classic. Dividend stocks. When you invest in shares of companies that pay dividends, you earn a portion of their profits regularly. Think of it as getting paid just for holding their stock. Example, if you own $10,000 worth of dividend-paying stocks that yield 5%, that's $500 a year, passively. Tools like Robinhood, eToro, or SelfWealth make it easy to get started. Pro tip, reinvest your dividends to grow your earnings exponentially over time. Next up, real estate rentals. Buying property and renting it out is one of the oldest forms of passive income. You can earn steady monthly rent while the property appreciates in value. If direct ownership is too costly, you can explore REITs, real estate investment trusts. They allow you to invest in real estate portfolios and receive dividends. Bonus, use Airbnb to rent out a room or property for even higher returns. Ever thought of turning your skills into cash? Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses is a powerful passive income stream. You build it once and sell it forever. Examples, a productivity planner on Etsy, a Canva social media template pack, a course on Udemy, or Teachable. These are great for content creators, designers, and educators. This one's a favorite of bloggers and YouTubers. Affiliate marketing. You promote products or services and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Impact are great affiliate platforms to start with. Pro tip, build trust with your audience. Recommend only what you truly use and love. Are you a photographer or videographer? You can sell your work on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5. Once uploaded, your content can earn you money over and over again. Fun fact, some creators earn thousands a month just from stock sales. Tip, focus on trending and in-demand topics like business, fitness, or nature. Here's a long-term winner. Starting a blog or niche website. Choose a niche you're passionate about, like travel, parenting, or tech, and monetize it through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Google AdSense or Mediavine can help you earn passive ad income. It takes time, but the results can be incredible. Many bloggers make 5 to 6 figures a year. If you've got coding skills or the budget to hire a developer, consider launching a mobile app or SaaS, software as a service product. Think of apps that solve daily problems, a meal planner, a budgeting tool, or a fitness tracker. Once live, it can generate subscription income with minimal maintenance. Platforms like Bubble or Glide can help you build without coding. Want a low-risk option? Try high-interest savings accounts or government bonds. You won't get rich overnight, but your money will grow quietly in the background, safely and passively. Bonus, consider treasury bonds or fixed deposits for guaranteed returns. Love art or design? Start a print-on-demand store. Create designs for t-shirts, mugs, posters, or tote bags. When someone places an order, the platform prints and ships it for you. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful make it super simple. You just handle the creative side, and they handle the rest. Last but not least, a rising trend, YouTube automation channels. You don't need to show your face. You can create videos with voiceovers, stock footage, and AI tools like Render Forest. Topics like facts, top 10s, or motivational quotes perform very well. Monetize through YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. All right, let's recap our top 10 passive income ideas. Dividend stocks, real estate rentals REITs, digital products, affiliate marketing, stock photos and videos, blogs and niche sites, mobile apps, high-interest savings and bonds, print on demand, YouTube automation. Remember, the goal is not to do them all. Start with one or two that align with your skills and interests. Build, test, and scale. Got questions or want a deep dive into one of these ideas? Drop a comment below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future content. And don't forget to check the description for bonus resources and tools to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and remember, money never sleeps. And soon, you won't have to work while you do either.